have a nice day again. It's Monday morning. Musta kayo dyan lahat? Missing you all there guys again. My friend and I still in the selling area. As a market. All guys, they're in good situation now. Si ate, Miss Beautiful si ate, oh. Nakita nyo si Miss Girly Porret, my friend.
Yan ang friend ko, si Bichay. O, paano na pagpatay nito? Doon. Tapos,
Sansa.
yan.
Ingat, kailan yan guys, sa panahon natin. Mainit na malamig. Papakyat ka. Yes, she's a beautiful woman. Miss Girly Porret is a beautiful woman. Kaway ka ate. Pas muna be, pas. Oy, mga suki ko ng mga pagkain, halina kayo dito.
Hindi pa nag-a-adjust.
Bumili na kayo sa amin dito.
Hindi pa nag-a-adjust matanda.
Wali. Have a nice day guys. Have a good day. Love you all.